How could the Wisdom Center be used for each individual division? In other words, how can we use AI to make that division more effective? Because it is part of the world that we live in on right now. It's looking at your entire mind, your source, your data, everything that you've given it over the years that you've acquired in your world of building a business and in that particular journey. A lot of the use cases that I'm going to show you right now, we're going to chat with it so we can get the practical application of that particular use case. So let's go into this. This knowledge can then be shared by all areas of your organization, and any area of the organization will be able to make it into something valuable. Let me show you how. At Attention-Grabbing Media, we use an organizational chart that looks like this. We have CEOs, the communicators, the chief operations officer, we got public relations divisions, financial divisions, personnel divisions, executive divisions, marketing, and so on. You probably have something like that yourself. How could the Wisdom Center be used for each individual division? In other words, how can we use AI to make that division more effective? Because it is part of the world that we live in on right now. Let's start with the hiring department. So let's talk about one scenario here. We need to create a job description for a specific position. Let's have the Wisdom Center create this for us. So I'm going to take one of these prompts over here, and we're going to take this prompt right here that says, create a complete job description for an account manager at Attention-Grabbing Media. These are the people that are delivering marketing services. Only pull from your existing knowledge. Do not invent information that does not exist in your knowledge base. We're going to take this particular prompt. We're going to paste it over here. And let's see, now you're looking at my screen and my computer and the Wisdom Center in action. What is this job description of an Attention-Grabbing Media marketing expert, an account manager? Well, what does he do? He's on client services. He reports to the director of client services. The job overview is plays a pivotal role in managing client relationships, ensuring successful delivery of marketing strategies, and driving client satisfaction. The ideal candidate will have a passion for digital marketing, excellent communication skills, and the ability to manage multiple client accounts effectively. Key responsibilities: project management, strategy and planning, performance monitoring, business development. That's what the role is all about. So going back to the presentation over here, we're now going to create another one to hire a video editor. Let's have the Wisdom Center here help us with this. And we're going to take this thing right here that says create ad copy to hire a video editor that would spark the interest of an ideal candidate. So now we're going to come up with like a posting prompt over here. And let's see what it says. Join our team as a remote video editor. Are you a creative genius with a passion for storytelling through video? Do you have a keen eye for detail and a knack for bringing concepts to life? If so, we want you on our team. Position: video editor, location remote, company Attention-Grabbing Media. Here's the information about us. And this is what we're looking for. And this is why AGM, and this is how to apply. And this is the information to contact the company. Website, email, phone numbers, address, and so on, with a call to action at the end. Very simple. So we found the perfect candidate for another position we need to fill. How do we get that offer written for that person? Well, here's another example of how this Wisdom Center could be utilized. So I'm going to take this prompt right here and I'm going to paste it here. And I'm going to say, create a job offer email for an accountant for AGM. Include that this is the local position at 1200 Starkey Road, the monthly starting salary of $5,000. Let's see what it does with it. I'm creating now a job offer. So you see, I'm showing you how the Division 1, which has to do with recruitment, hiring, posting, they can use this tool to really facilitate the speed of particle flow, the speed of getting their job done at their particular post. So just like that, I put together an offer letter. Dear candidate's name, refer to extend to you an offer for the position of accountant. Here's the position information, responsibilities, financial reporting, budgeting, and forecasting. This is what I expect you to do. And the next step is review the terms of this offer and confirm your acceptance by replying to this email by deadline. And here are the benefits. You got competitive salary, comprehensive health, dental and vision insurance, paid time off and holidays, professional development opportunities, and so on. And then here's the information. Keep going with the presentation over here. Now it's time to onboard our new hire. So we have an offer letter, they accepted it, And now I want to onboard them, get them started, and not only started, but I want to make sure that they are winning in their post. They're actually accomplishing products and they're getting results. And in order for me to do that, I have to be able to onboard them effectively. So how do I do that exactly? Let's say that I got to train them. Well, we're going to do this right here. We're going to create an onboarding checklist for new account managers at Attention Grabbing Media. And I wanted to include the task for their first day, the first week, and the first month to ensure they're fully integrated into the company. Turn this checklist into a Word document that I can edit. Besides each task item, include a checkbox so I can sign it with my initial. And I want you to add the AGM logo at the top. Can you do all of that? Well, let's take a look. I'm going to go ahead and paste this right here. And let's grab this whole thing and see what it does with it. And the speed in which it does it. It's looking at your entire mind, your source, your data, everything that you've given it over the years that you've acquired in your world of building a business and in that particular journey. It's looking at all of it and it's going to put together the onboarding checklist that we need to easily go from employee accepting the offer to here's how you start. And this is the exact steps that you got to take. And just like that, I got an onboarding checklist. Let's see how that looks. This is actually a downloadable file. This is a Word document. I'm going to click on this one right here and it's starting to download. And let's take a look at this document right here to see how that looks. I'm going to open up this wide and notice that I asked it for the AGM logo, right? It's at the top of it. Onboarding checklist, first day, this is what you do, first week, first month. And it's a Word document, which means that I want to tweak it, I want to add something to it, I want to remove something from it, I want to correct something. I can easily do that, finalize it into a PDF, and off we go. That starts giving you an idea of what we can do with it. So we want to make sure that we get this person that we hired now to become extremely competent in their job. One of the most difficult things that I've experienced in the game of business is getting other people to get similar results to what I get in the subject of marketing. How do I tackle this thing? Well, now they have access to my entire mind. And in a couple of clicks and one very good prompt, I'm able to give them my entire mind and have them go through it and then quiz them on it to ensure that they actually learned what I want them to learn. Let's put this for a quick little test. I have a prompt over here that says, create a complete course for a new AGM account manager to be fully trained in their position. Make this course into a PDF file and include a line at the end of each task where I can add my initials as I complete each item. At the end of the check sheet, include a series of multiple choice questions related to the course materials. Also create a separate PDF document that includes all questions, the correct answer to each, and the name of the AGM policy or procedure that relates specifically to that question. The course should be as thorough as possible on the subject of marketing as detailed by Manuel Suarez throughout his book, his YouTube channel, and policies. Include all policies written on the subject of being an account manager. So let's take this post right here and let's test it out. Okay, so it took about a minute and a half or so to actually get this back to me. So it says, I've created a detailed training course and the answer key for the new AGM account manager position. You can download them using the links below. Let's click on it and see what it came up with. I'm gonna click on this one right here and let's check it out. Again, we can tweak it and make it nicer, and like it has a logo at the top. It says AGM Account Manager Training Course. It has a line for you to check off every single item, and it tells you what to do on the first day. It tells you what to do in the first week. Manager training sessions, familiarize yourself with the AGM software and tools. Shadow a senior account manager to understand daily routines and tasks. That makes sense. Attend team meetings and actively participate in discussions. Yeah, absolutely. First month, develop a 30, 60, 90-day plan in collaboration with your supervisor. Okay, fine. Marketing fundamentals. Okay, so here we go. So based on Manuel Suarez's teaching, study Manuel Suarez's book, Marketing Magic, and complete the associated quizzes. So we have quizzes already attached over here. Watch the videos from Manuel Suarez's YouTube channel, Digital Marketing, Social Media Strategies, and Client Management, understanding the basics of Facebook and Instagram. Let's say that I actually want to make that clickable. I want to make sure that it's easy for them to go and watch the videos. So I'm going to go back to this thing and I'm going to ask it to do something else. Make the videos clickable. Okay, let's see what it did. Let me open it. I gave it new information and I adjusted the prompt a little. And now it added what to do on the first day. And it also added training videos for the first day. And look, I even have here hyperlinked videos. Introduction to AGM. I clicked on this thing right here. We actually did over 10 video views in the year 2023. And then we have a video that talks about who we are and what we do. And if I do this, AGM's vision and mission, That's a video that I can click on, complete mandatory training, software and tools, and so on. And then I got all these videos to watch also added throughout the check sheet, and I can sign them off. Digital marketing fundamentals.
This is what I believe to be the power of social media marketing right here. The ability.
Absolutely amazing. Just like that, I put together a training that has even the clickable links to watch the videos. And all we got to do is get that person to start watching these videos, doing the trainings, reading the policies, and at the end of the day, we're gonna have somebody ready to produce value for the company. So that's one department, one area, one division that could be immediately lifted and become more effective just with the use of artificial intelligence. And not only that, with the use of your mind via artificial intelligence.